I don't care who is doing better than me because the truth is I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only person I need to be better than is the person I was yesterday. Last year I was different. I've grown, I've improved, and I've learned a lot. That's what really matters. It's me versus me. Every day, I wake up ready to push myself further, to challenge my limits, and become the best version of myself. I don't let other people's success make me feel small. Their journey is theirs. Mine is mine. Instead of looking around at what others have achieved, I look at where I've come from, and I'm proud of my progress. It's about showing up for myself, staying consistent, and building my future, one step at a time. So focus on your own journey. Celebrate your own wins, no matter how small. In the end, the only competition that matters is with yourself. Keep growing, keep pushing, because you are your only true rival.
When you walk with bare feet on the earth, what's happening is you're pulling negative ions in and charging your whole body up. So I've got a particular practical step, as I said, for this video to increase your prana and your field, and that expands your consciousness, as I said in the first video. This is really important. Now the mathematical symbol, when it's laid on the side, is a figure 8, and that means infinity. So what you're doing is you're walking on the earth and you're doing a figure 8. And when you're walking in the figure 8, you're doing this particular mantra. A mantra basically invokes energy using Shakti, the sun and the moon, the creator being. So when you're doing the figure 8, and with your soles on the ground, what you're doing is you're saying Om, Shanti, 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 as you're walking in the figure 8. And what's happening is you're opening up the soles of your feet. You've got chakras in the bottoms of your feet, and you're also opening up the crown chakra to the sun. So Om, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And that basically creates a magnetic, like a dynamo, generating negative ions, pulling it through your feet into your whole body, that expands your consciousness. So that's the second part of the secrets of immortality, and this is for you guys to help you out on your journey. Practice it in the mornings when there's dew on the grounds, because that's actually electromagnetic conductivity, and then focus on the figure 8. You can use like a leaf here and a leaf here as a guideline, start off, and then you're just creating the figure 8. So don't forget to tab, subscribe, and I've got these magical links. It's a course I've developed for the microbiome, which is really important. It changes your whole, this is called the second brain. Yogi see it as the second brain. And it has a huge effect on your whole body and also your mind. So have a look at that, it's in the links. And I've also got 18 books in there that I've written on yoga and also novels. So tab them, have a look, let's keep moving on up and increasing our prana. I'm in this beautiful place in Thorn Bay, and so it's lovely to have you walk here. Lots of love, everybody.